this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 67 Chevy El Camino. So we're running down the road about 55, 60. Going against probably 10, 15 mile an hour wind, so pretty tight cabin. Everything works under the dome light. It's had a lot of work done to it by the previous owner. We did a little work to it, fixed the heater, fan, and some other little stuff. So nice driver quality car there. You can see it's got a pretty good shine. But I don't want to sell it as bad body work, but I just want you to know that they could have blocked it a little more. Got a little wavy on the sides. Probably got some mud in the quarter. So I just like to be 100% transparent. But if you want a car to drive, nice driving car. Tubular A-arms, wildwood disc brakes up front, tilt steering wheel. So you get a little bounce in that steering area and that speedo cable. Got the custom stereo in it. It goes down the road nice. COIL over shocks up front. So we'll turn around here. Just a fun driver quality car. It's got some SS badging on it, SS Super Sport in the glove box, SS 427 on the dash or on the grill, so you can fool whoever you want to fool. As they say, never believe the badges. First to second, second to third. Nice pickup on it. Got good strong motor in it. I don't have any paperwork on it, but the son said it had been rebuilt and stuff. So 605-695-7391.